Story we've been following closely. 9 people now are facing charges in connection with a Madison County daycare child abuse investigation.
Amanda Spears, Theo Hersey, Jessica Houck, Brooklyn Houck, Trinity Huff, Elizabeth Thomas, and Amaris Hamilton are each facing charges in the case. Overnight, Christian and Abigail Greer turned themselves in to authorities. Christian's arrest citation says video shows her restraining and strangling a 4-year-old child who refused to take a nap. Detectives say she grabbed the girl just under the neck and covered the child's nose and mouth with her hand to keep her from screaming. Well, April is winding to a close, and so is Child Abuse Prevention Month.
Kelsey Soto with our Investigates team is looking into cases of child abuse at daycares here in the Commonwealth for this WKYT Fact Check.
Well, we wanted to see how enrollment and numbers of injuries and incidents of neglect or abuse have changed over the last few years. So this data comes to you from the Cabinet for Health and Family Services. So at Type 1 child care centers, which are providing services for 4 or more kids in a non-residential setting or 13 or more kids in a residential setting, there were 158,846 there for the total capacity. In 2023, that number jumped to 162,207. And then last year, the state recorded 164,273 children in their total capacity. So that kind of sets the stage for you. But as for serious injuries, which are defined as an incident that required medical care by the child care program or the child's parent, those numbers rose as well, from 466 serious injuries in 2022 to 620 in 2023. And then last year, there were 764 reported serious injuries. And we also wanted to take a look at abused or neglected children. That's defined as a child whose health or well-being was harmed or at risk due to physical, emotional, or sexual abuse, and even neglect or situations that endanger the child's safety. That number combines all of the providers, so we're talking Type 1 and Type 2 facilities, as well as certified child care inside homes or even registered providers. There were 37 instances of abuse and neglect in 2022. Then in 2023, that number rose to 47, and it rose again in 2024 to 64. Bill?